Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen dimming on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on display. After click on display, and turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button, volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.